Hey everyone, for those of you who don't know, my name is Melissa and today is our first annual holiday cookie bake. So super excited about that. I say first annual because about 8-ish months ago, we built our house. So we have a brand new house and we're hosting our very first cookie bake. And I thought it would be a good idea to create a hot chocolate bar. And we entertain a bunch and I get a lot of questions about how we put things together and how it works behind the scenes. So I thought that we could record and show you guys. So let's get started. So I started with a quick DIY for the hot chocolate sign. I bought this framed chalkboard from At Home and I had a gold chalk pen already on hand, so that's what I used to draw out my little design.
Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols.
And then here is the finished product. Super simple, super cute hot chocolate bar sign. And then before I decorate anything, I always start with a clean blank space. So I cleared the decor that was already on the buffet and then I wiped it down. And I started with a fur runner. And then I placed some trays on the fur runner just to make sure that it was a sturdy place for the canisters and things to go since it was fur. And so I'm going to add all of the things that I'm going to use. So everything is empty and I'm just trying to see where I'm putting things, how it's all going to work.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh.
And then this glass canister, I do switch out along with that teapot. I switch these out and you'll see what that looks like at the end.
Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
And then this is the finished hot chocolate bar. So fully stocked, lots of goodies. I hope you guys enjoyed. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit the little notification bell if you'd like to be notified when I upload a new video. Happy holidays!